What is a luxury pergola? Well, let's start with what is a pergola. It's an overhead outdoor structure, usually over a patio or a deck with an open or semi-open roof. The roof consists of parallel fins with gaps in between them, leaving them pretty much open to the sky. You've probably seen them, they're all over the place and they're most commonly made out of wood. Now, what is a luxury pergola? It's very similar to what I just said, but way better in every possible way. First, instead of the fins being in a fixed position, our fins, or louvers, open and close at the push of a button. This button. So you get the option of keeping the roof open to the sky and sun, or closed to keep the sun and rain out. Second, ours is made out of a thick, powder-coated, extruded aluminum. It's not only stronger than most pergolas out there, but it requires virtually no maintenance, which means no staining or power washing. And finally, the luxury pergola is DIY friendly, and it comes in a ton of different sizes so it'll fit your home. It's actually much easier than building a wood pergola, and it also allows the custom size and colors that you need. Now, not all aluminum pergolas are made equal. In fact, virtually all the other options out there are far from being on the same level as the luxury pergola. Check out the-luxury-pergola.com and you can see why.